The Sophia Code, page 99. As a master of ceremony, Hathor utilized her understanding of universal laws, quantum physics, sacred geometry, and the science of sound to orchestrate a multidimensional container in which her oracular voice would open stargates. This facilitated a sacred space for her communities to practice interstellar travel and fulfill prophetic timelines for future chapters of humanity's ascension journey. These ceremonies also reflected Hathor's creative genius and love for beauty by administering her rites of initiation through sacred dance, music, and singing. Countless individuals were able to consciously experience their own ability to time travel, bilocate, receive direct revelations from Sophia as they would step into the stargates opened by Hathor's confident abilities. She patiently devoted herself to training others in how to open these stargates for themselves, so that the teachings to do so would remain on Earth as long as possible. As an engaging mentor and facilitator of quantum learning experiences, Hathor's courageous embodiment inspired innumerable initiates to follow her in walking the way of this sacred magic.